Hello, my name is Rahael Manang from Cameroon. We call it the continent Cameroon, Africa. Cameroonians are very proud of their country, so we call it continent. LittAfrica, Botswana, 2023 has been a wonderful experience for me. Coming here, I had so many expectations, and these expectations have been met. Getting to network with people, getting to meet people who share the same vision, the same, the same ideas like me, and seeing their passion, seeing their dedication, has left an impression in me, and I'll really be forever grateful, for this wonderful opportunity. I've learned a lot about marketing. I learned that as a writer, it's not just about writing books, but how to go about to market your books is really important. And yesterday, during one of the workshops, I learned a lot about who a writer should be, the character of a writer, what is expected of a Christian writer. These things they are great lessons to me. And I'm looking forward to, passing this knowledge forward to others when I go back to Cameroon. As a matter of fact, we are planning to hold a Christian writing workshop, to share with others what we have learned at LittAfrica, Botswana. So I want to say thank you to Mai, and I'm very grateful for this opportunity. Thank you.